Hai guys, mau buat video intro buat YouTube channel kamu. Kayak gini aja, pakai Canva, pakai handphone pun bisa. Ke canva.com. Kemudian klik yang 3 garis itu dan create design. Apa aja bisa nih, coba lihat. Instagram post, story, animated logo, Facebook, poster, flyer, everything you can imagine. And YouTube channel art, you can make your channel art from here too. And the thumbnails, this is very nice. And after that, you want to make a presentation also, you can. For this clip, we are going to do the video. Okay. Then you can search template, upload photos from here. See, there are so many free ones that you can use, slideshow videos, and yeah. But you can click this X and you will be going to the empty paper where you can click plus and you can add the template, uploads photos, element, text, music, video, fake background, and more. Yeah, so first choose templates. What about this? Oops. Let's see. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna choose this. And then we're gonna add text. Add a heading and write welcome to What's Your Name channel. I'll make my channel Dian channel. Then okay, you can choose the text, the font, and the kind of text formats that you want. Okay, oh, what is this? Add a comment on mentor. Okay then. What? Oh my god. Wait, just go back to my editing. Okay, then go again to there, and I want to change the font like so. Anton, well, anything for now. Okay, so that you get the idea, right? And now we're adding photos. You can upload your own photos. Click this uploads and click your photos, or you can choose from what they have, food or stuff. I'll choose this, and then I can crop it also, put effect, filter, cropped. I want this to be cropped, and then I'm gonna move it around. I'll put it here. I'll move the text up here, up. Okay, then I'm gonna add music. You can listen to it first, like this, or the ginger girl. Safety net, it's fine for now. And then add what? Music, done, folder elements. Maybe you want to add some of this, or you can search love or leave. And then you can get some of them, they're like animated, some of them are just plain, just photos. And you can add anything that you want in here. And you can have also templates. For example, this is already made for you. No, I don't want to add templates now. Yeah, be careful. Oh, I went to this one. Okay, I need to go back to my design now, this one. Alright, sorry about the mess, but since you're editing from your phone, you have to be very careful. And if you need your photo to be removed, the background, you can go to remove.bg. I'll show you in the other video. And then what else? Photos, uploads, elements. Oh, I didn't put the elements. I did actually. So I'm gonna put this, for example, just anything for now. Now I want to play it. like that. That's it, done. And then you can download it or share it. So many places you can save it. I just want to download it and choose video. You can be as creative as you can. Alright, come on. So it's downloading. Yeah, video beta. You can also put it PNG and JPEG if you want it to be your channel art. Now you download. You can make logos, you can make anything you can imagine of, even. Okay, done, download. Now I'm gonna open it and it's here. Yay! So okay, thank you for watching and see you for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if you know this already.